What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. So I bought a stereo quarter inch from Monoprice. Yes, from Monoprice. Let's jump to the unboxing table. I will be giving you my opinion. Is the quality worth it or no? Jump to the table. It is the Monoprice. Monoprice is a quite good name when it comes to the audio cable XLR, and this one is the stereo TRS quarter inch cable. Can I open it from here, or I need to use my Swiss knife? I think so. I have to use my Swiss knife to open this bad baby. Is it open? That's open. It's not opening. Let me use my Swiss scissor. Okay, here we go. Because I don't want to damage the packaging sometime. Because I want to open like elegantly like this. Wow, it looks like better. Let me close this one. Okay, this is like quite good quality. Let me be honest with you, this is quite good quality. Let me demonstrate with my headphone amplifier. Can you see? It's good quality cable. And then now let me plug this one in my Zoom F4. So yeah, okay, this is really very good quality cable. When I say it's good quality, then it's good quality. Let me take out. Okay, yeah, when I say it's good quality, then I literally mean it's good quality cable. This is a really high quality cable. This is a must buy. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي